Okay, so look at this. Right? This is Synthesia's landing page. Look at this. You are typing out a scene. You select who your speaker needs to be. Someone comes up, and this lady is speaking out whatever your script was. It's as easy as that. Type down a script, select who your avatar needs to be, right? This is, by the way, of course, if you're not figured out so far, not a real person. It's an AI. It's an AI avatar that talks out whatever your script is. You can change a bunch of stuff. You can change the background. You can change the person. You can change their voice. You can change the script. You can change everything so that it is customized for your needs. An AI that talks out your script but looks and sounds like a human. This is a game changer, right? To show you some use cases and how have people in companies used it. Well, it could be used for learning and development. If you are into creating courses and you yourself are not comfortable coming out in front of a video, you can just write down the script and paste the script into Synthesia, and Synthesia creates videos that teaches from your script. So it's a course that you've created without you having to record yourself. It could be used, and it could be very well used for sales enablement, right? You can create very high quality sales videos that your potential customers will watch to let them know what's happening. So for skills, for sales, you can do it. For marketing, which could be your explainer videos, right? So if you are launching out a new product, you can create an explainer video. You can let the AI go through the script, speak out the script, recite the script of what your product does, and then you can use that video as a product explainer. You can also use it for customer service. For example, if you are getting a lot of people asking you questions, think about this, right? Let's say you're getting 20 queries or 30 queries every day of your very high value customers asking you questions. Now you of course know the answers. You can either type down these answers and just send the text. You can go one step ahead. For example, you can record a video of yourself explaining the answer. That would be amazing, right? If a potential customer who is a very high value client of yours receives a video of you explaining the answer to their question, they would be really impressed. But what if you want to do that at scale? Can you keep recording videos all day? No. But you can have an avatar that speaks out your answer and looks like it's a specific customer service person that you have who is responding to all of their questions. So again, there's a lot of different ways you can use this. Sky is the limit, and your creativity is actually the limit on how well can you connect the dots and find patterns and bring in this tool and the abilities of this tool in different aspects of running a business where you can include it. So as it says, how it works, you create a script, you customize your video, and then you share and export. It's very easy as that. Right? So well, let's start and create a video of our own.